Cut the edge of the lower cloth by 2 to 2.5 centimeters along the cutting line. Raise the gathering pressure foot. Put the cloth, while fitting the edge of lower cloth that has been cut, against the upper knife until the needed position is reached. Put the upper cloth between the gathering pressure foot and feed plate until the needed position is reached. Lower the pressure foot. Turn the hand wheel to make the machine sew 2 or 3 stitches to secure the material cloth. Start the sewing machine. Holding the material cloth with your left hand, gradually feed the material forward while guiding it with your right hand.